Hello guys and welcome back to my channel Basics the Strong Roots. My name is Richa Yadav and our today's topic is bookkeeping again. This is in continuation with our last video in which I told you about bookkeeping and journal, ledger and how to make trial balance and what is the concept behind that. Today we will learn about the remaining things. Those are cash book and petty cash book. So let's start guys. The cash book is any kind of organization maintains a cash book, and in cash book they record only cash receipts and payments, including bank receipts and payments, like for any kind of sale or any kind of payment the company has received in cash. Then it will record that receipts of payments in debit side of that cash book, and if the payment is made in cash or by check, then they will record it in the credit side of the cash book. Cash book is just like a ledger account. I will show you the format. I'm so sorry that I don't have the board, but soon I will arrange that. This is the format of cash book. I can see it just like a mirror image, but when I will upload it, then you people will find it clear. So this is the debit side of the cash book. You can see that this is cash book just like a ledger account, and this is the debit side of that cash book. This is date, this is particular or description, this is reference, and this is cash, and this is bank. This is the debit side of the cash book, and in the same way with the same options the credit side will be maintained. So in dates column we write the date on which we have received the payment. In particulars and description we note the description about that particular receipts, that why we have received that payment and from whom we have received this payment. Reference, you can add check number in reference for bank payments. Cash, the amount, that particular amount which you have received in cash. And bank, if you have received a check or the transfer through net banking, then you will note that in bank column. At the last or at the end of the year we make the total of this cash book, and that total the balance from maintaining the total of both the side. When we get a balance, and that balance should be a debit balance, because assets should always have a debit balance. So that particular balance we note down as cash in hand in the asset side of the balance sheet. And if there is a credit balance by any means, that will be a negative balance, because our payments will be more than our receipts. So what will we do? We will check our accounts properly, and if there will be any kind of discrepancy, we will resolve it, we will rectify the discrepancy. And if not, if the accounts are correctly prepared and in a perfect manner, then what we will do, we will write that negative balance as creditors in the liabilities side of the balance sheet. Okay, hope you guys got it. Again, our next thing is petty cash book. What is petty cash book? Petty cash book is, as its name is, petty cash book is for small expenses, petty expenses for any kind of organization, and it is based on impress system. Depends on the companies and institutions policy whether you want to decide a particular amount in the starting of the year, your financial year, or every month you will provide a particular amount for petty expenses. So for petty expenses of an organization, there is a particular predefined amount from which all the small expenses will be bared for the whole year. Okay, so this is going to be the format of petty cash book. Hope you guys can see it. And again, it is just like a ledger account, and it has debit and credit both the sides. Date, particulars, reference, amount. Credit side, date, particular, reference, amount. But in debit side of this petty cash book, on the start in the starting of the financial year, we write like if we are in year to 2021, that what we will do, our financial year is starting on 1st April 2021. Then what will we do? For preparing a petty cash book, we will write 1st April 2021 and to balance BFE, means balance brought forward with that particular amount which is predefined by the company to bear the expenses. So that is to balance BF, to balance brought forward, and say it is 5,000 rupees only. Then we will write that, and then for the whole year, which whatever the expenses occurred, we will note it down in the credit side of this petty cash book as by repair, by refreshment charges, and by electrician's payment, say 500 or 200 rupees. Then again at the end of the year, we will get a balance of this petty cash book, and again we will note that balance in the balance sheet depending upon the debit or credit balance what we are going to get. So guys, this is it for our bookkeeping session, and please write down in the comment section if you have any kind of questions, or you think that somewhere I was wrong and I did not explain it correctly. So please do write down in the comment section, and like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon, because if you will press the bell icon, then you will get the notifications of my new videos. Thank you. Stay happy and healthy. Bye bye. Take care.